So guys, welcome back to GoinHam. This is going to be a pretty successful video that you're about to see. We are going to attach trucks to some shoes and ride them as rollerblades. Should be pretty fun. I'm looking forward to it. See you guys later. The fact that you have never done roller skates is the problem. Here we go, brief intermission. We are going to push the trucks back, like the back ones up, back farther, because we didn't really think about that when we were doing this. So just give us some time here.
Go watch this.
Maybe I should learn how to roller.
Yeah. So guys, welcome back. I guess you've been here the whole time. We moved these trucks back pretty far. We've got them to the heel, so these should be pretty good to skate here. I'm gonna put these on. They're size 10.5 and I wear an 8.5. So that was a successful lacing of my shoes. I had to put them pretty tight because, like I said, they're 2.5 size. They're 2 sizes too big. And let's go. Oh, quite heavy, hard to lift, but you know, it's all good. This one turns. Gonna die. I would rate these a 8 out of 10. The reasoning for the 8 and the -2 points is because they are quite heavy and the trucks are a little bit slanted on the right foot. So I think we're gonna switch people riding and see how it goes.
Got a damage report here. Luke was getting a little too flexy on the toe, so you know it.
This is like a 12.
Snap, you know. But we're gonna power through this and we're gonna still skate it, you know, because this video would be boring if we didn't.
Today I'm gonna learn how to roller skate on homemade roller skates. So I'm thinking that now that the trucks are actually at the back, I can ride them instead of just falling. So let's hope that works. And let's see if Caleb can do it, because he was making fun of me because I can't roller skate, and look at him, he's about to fall.
It's Caleb's first time walking.
What the heck?
Yep.
I can't even. Okay. Alright, there we go. No! No!
Caleb, you always break everything. I didn't break.
What the heck?
Caleb, how am I supposed to ride it?
What
This
the
is why
heck?
you go last, because you always break everything.
Look at this. What did you even do? The screw's gone.
It's gonna pop the tire.
Somebody's tire is now gonna break because of you.
Yeah, and I don't get to
I
ride
spit
them.
on the ground because of you. Caleb, literally this is our best invention yet on GoinHam, and you destroyed it.
The basketball hoop? Now this?
All because you said, I can ride rollerblades. No,
Yeah.
you can't.
At least I didn't break them.
Look, you.
Come on. Oh yeah?
You gonna hurt me? You gonna hurt me? Come here, buddy. Come on, Caleb. Come on.
Oh my God.
Caleb, you broke it again. What the heck?
You broke it in half.
Seriously? You had to break it again? Ride it right now.
Yeah.
No, ride it now. This is your punishment.
At least now you have a break.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yeah. How's that feel? Ow. That was a real fall, guys.
There's a skirt sticking out of your shoe.
I think he's good. What's it called?
I'm kind of done with all your crap. Just kidding, guys. I would never do that to my man, Caleb. But I will do this. It's
Stop.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping.